everyone, it's Ruby here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having the most amazing day or night wherever you are in the world. I also just quickly wanted to say a huge thank you for all your support, all of your messages, all of your feedback on all of my acne related content. It's not easy talking about the one thing that makes you feel so insecure, but I really do appreciate your feedback, and I spend hours reading your comments and I reply to as many as I possibly can because they mean the world to me. Over the last 12 weeks, I have been trialing a skin supplement that is supposed to help relieve mild to moderate acne. Now, I've had pimples longer than I've had clear skin. I can't even remember a time where I've had clear skin for a week. I've had clear skin for a day, maybe a day and a half, and then my skin would flare up again. So if you haven't seen part 1 of this series, I will link it in an iCard and also in the description box down below. So please pause this video right now and visit part 1 in this series so you can fully understand why I am here, why I'm making this video, and why this is so important to me. This is a supplement that I have been taking over 12 weeks. It is the Naturopathica Clear Skin Active Acne Relief Supplement. Each box contains 30 capsules. You take 2 capsules daily, and you take it for 12 weeks. I just wanted to flag that this video has been filmed in sections at different times because I wanted it to be as authentic as possible. So you'll see me pick up the camera or start a video that just doesn't feel like my usual setup. And that's because I wanted this video to be as raw as possible, even though it is edited. It is currently 12:25 p.m. I am still in my pajamas because I am getting ready to go to an event. I've got my jewelry on for some reason. I don't know why I popped it in, but I'm in the process of doing my makeup. So I've got my brows, my eyes, and my lips on. I haven't touched complexion just yet because I didn't want any fallout to ruin my base makeup. But I was about to take my vitamin because I do take 2 of these daily. This is the Naturopathica Clear Skin Active Acne Relief Supplement. And I realized that I am all out. So I thought it would be a good idea to check in every single time I have finished a box. I do have a new one here that I'm going to start today. So that's how I'm going to structure this video. Every single time I finish a box, I'm going to check in with you guys. So that is why I have started this video now looking like this, because I wanted to show you what my skin looks like now that I'm 1 box down and I've got a few more to go. So this is what my skin situation is like right now. I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 breakouts on the left-hand side of my face in an area which is very, very typical of adult acne. The very strange thing is I have nothing on the right-hand side of my face. Absolutely no breakouts. For some reason, I don't get aggressive breakouts on this side of my face, which you can see because there are hardly or very minimal acne marks, scarring and pigmentation on this side of my face. I've got no makeup on, by the way. But on this side, it's a very, 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 very different story. I do change my pillowcase every second day, and I don't actually sleep on my left-hand side. I sleep on the right, so I don't know what's going on there. There's like a really weird internal imbalance going on that's just affecting this side of my face. To be completely honest with you guys, I did have very, very high expectations of this product. I don't know if that was very unfair to this product and on myself, because I did think that after I finished a box, my skin would be completely clear. I don't know why I expected that. Maybe because I've never opted for a skin supplement that has been formulated for people who suffer with mild to moderate acne. Maybe that's what it was. So I was just like a little bit bummed as I started to like make my way through the first box, and it was dwindling and slowly, you know, coming to an end. But positive. I have noticed an improvement in the condition of my skin. It looks really nice. It heals very well. So I did have a few other breakouts which are healing, as you can see, that went down very, very quickly. Usually my breakouts will leave marks only because they linger on my skin for a really, really long time. This came up maybe 2 days ago, and it was really, 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 really big and painful and just not ideal. It was not ideal. And it's slowly going down. Typically my breakouts would take more than a week to go away, to disappear, and they'll always leave a mark. So this is good. Another thing is, I used to get like a lot of congestion in this area. You can probably see certain like smaller marks here, and also on my chin. I've turned up the sharpness of my camera so you can see everything. So I'm hoping you can see all of the things that normal people don't want to reveal about their skin. But I do want to make sure that I'm giving you guys as much information on this product and showing you guys what it's doing for my skin. I have noticed that the congestion is not as bad as before, like before I started taking this supplement. So I'm going to go through the ingredients list once again. So this is the Clear Skin Complex ingredient list. It has lactoferrin, which is what helps mild to moderate acne. And then you have zinc, which balances the skin's oil or sebum. There's biotin, which helps to promote healthy, clear skin. Vitamin A, which is your anti-inflammatory action. There is silica, which is great for healthy hair, skin, and nails. You've probably heard of this ingredient before. There is also vitamin B5. I have talked about this previously on my channel because a lot of my favorite products actually do have vitamin B5 in them to help with your skin's renewal and natural turnover cycle. There's vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen. Chromium, which is a really good ingredient to have in your supplements, and also vitamin E, which is a really powerful antioxidant. So when I say that I think my skin is looking good, I can actually see results. That is why. Like I said, little bit disappointed on the breakout side of things, but I haven't actually finished the course. I am expecting too much of myself, like my body and this product. So I will have to then get back to you on how my skin looks after I finish this new course, which I have to take now actually before I forget. I am so forgetful when it comes to this stuff. And I was watching videos for months, like before I discovered this. I was watching videos for months about what vitamins I should take. And people were taking zinc, vitamin A, vitamin C. What else were they taking? Vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, vitamin A separately. And I was just like, I cannot do 4 vitamins or more every single day for the rest of my life. Like, that's going to be expensive. And this is at least formulated in a ratio that works really well together. I'm guessing, I'm hoping. I'm just going to... I also really suck at taking vitamins. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing really well. It is early November, and this month, like this time of year, gets me feeling some kind of way. All the twinkly lights are up on the houses, the Christmas decorations are in stores, and I just love this time of year. You can probably tell that I'm a little chirpier than when I last checked in, and that's because I just finished off my second box of the Naturopathica Clear Skin Active supplement. So I've got 2 boxes now that are down and empty, and I'm actually seeing some more results, which is great. The last time I checked in with you guys, I was a little disappointed because I did have a few active breakouts whilst I started the course.
And that was just so unfair of me to just assume that it wasn't working. It was unfair of me to just think that after only using or taking 30 capsules that my skin situation was going to clear up. But I'm a lot happier now and my skin is doing a lot better. All of these, can you see these darker purple marks right here? These are scars left over from the breakouts that I was talking about in my last, like the last time I checked in with you guys. And I did mention that my skin type is really, really annoying. Every time I get a blemish, every time I get a pimple, it leaves like a purple mark on my skin. I don't know why. So I have noticed that my skin is doing a little better overall, generally speaking, and I haven't had any really big aggressive breakouts since, which I'm really, really happy about. So with that said, I'm not having any side effects. I feel completely normal. Another thing that I just wanted to touch on, I know a lot of people will ask about acne scarring and pigmentation and whatnot. I don't think, just given the way that my skin behaves and what I can see so far, I don't think that this product is formulated to aid the skin when it comes to scarring, like acne scarring and pigmentation and lightening the skin. I think that this product has been formulated for I guess relieving the skin of inflammation and really big, painful, active breakouts, or maybe multiple little breakouts in a concentrated area, just like I have. Like this area is very typical of adult acne, like I mentioned before. So yeah, I also wanted to apologize for the audio and visual difference compared to my last check-in video. My DSLR camera is so good to me. It makes my skin look so good on camera. But my G7X camera isn't as flattering or forgiving on my skin type. So I thought it would be better if I checked in using this camera so you can actually see what my skin looks like. The next time that I will be checking in with you guys is when I will probably finish a course. Now, I did reach out to my facialist and I asked her if I can still have like peels and microdermabrasions while I'm still on this. I took a photo of the box, I took a photo of the ingredients list, and I sent it to her, like I emailed her the ingredients list. And she actually said that I can still have my power peels and my micros whilst I'm taking this, because I know a lot of skin supplements you probably wouldn't be able to have any other additional skin treatments, like external skin treatments on top. What I've decided not to do is not to go for any skin treatments, just so I can see how well this product works. If I get a peel, if I get a microdermabrasion, it will definitely affect the results of this product, and I really want to gauge how well this supplement works. So I just want to flag with you guys that I'm not doing anything else during this time. Like, I am sticking to this trial, right? So I'm not going to be doing any other skin treatments whilst I am on this supplement. So yeah, it's December, guys. And I've turned my orchid into like a mini Christmas tree. Hold on, let me just show you something real quick. So like I said, I turned my orchid into an office Christmas tree. I have this glass house candle that's called The Night Before Christmas. It smells absolutely amazing. But this is what I actually wanted to show you. I got this at the Natural History Museum in London, and it's Charles Darwin's Father Christmas. I just think this is the coolest. I love it. So it's December. I live in the Southern Hemisphere in Australia, so that's why we do not have white Christmases. We have scorching hot and humid Christmases, and it is not worth applying makeup in the morning. And I am so excited that my skin is clear and that I can actually explore the options of fixing the textural issues that I have going on my skin. So I can look at getting lasers done and needling done, and I've wanted to do this for a really long time. But now that I've completed my course and my skin is looking really good with no makeup on, I've got like concealer and white eye pencil like through my waterline, mascara, brows and lips, but I've got nothing on my skin and it looks so good. I'm really happy with the results. It kind of did feel like forever, like I just wanted it to end. I just wanted it to quickly finish. I wanted to get my course over and done with because I was just like seeing results, especially after the second box. And now that we've come to the end of the course, I am really excited and really happy with the results. I honestly cannot wait for you guys to try it. So if you do end up going to Chemist Warehouse and picking up the Naturopathica Clear Skin Active Supplement, then please let me know your story down below, and we'd love to hear how it has helped you. I'm so happy. I am so looking forward to having really clear skin for the summer. Like, that's all I've wanted. That is my final update. The results speak for themselves. My attitude, I'm so happy. I am so excited, and I'm honestly speechless. I'm still going to keep my usual skincare routine in place with my usual products, so that is definitely not going to change. I really do want to maintain this skin look for as long as possible, hopefully for the rest of my life. But that is also another thing that I would love to touch on sometime in 2019. How long do these results last? And just stuff like that, because I know you'll be curious to see whether or not this is a permanent solution. So yeah. I'm on top of the world. I'm so excited. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed its format and its style, and that you found it very helpful and informative. I am so happy.
That's it, guys. This concludes my video diary, my journey with Naturopathica. I really hope that you found this video formatting, this style of vlogging very helpful. I wanted it to be as in-depth as possible, and I wanted to check in as I went along without having you wait the whole 12 weeks, if that makes sense. Let's have a conversation in the comment section down below. I would love to know how you got on with this vitamin, if you did decide to pick it up and give it a go. Any questions that you may have, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. I really did enjoy this journey, and I really hope you enjoyed. I love you guys. Bye.